Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set camera timer on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set iOS 26 camera timer, all you need to do is go ahead and open your camera. Once you open the camera, just use the liquid glass and then make sure you select photo or portrait or whatever you want to use it on. So here, we selected photo. Once you selected your photo, click on this menu button at the top right. Then, if you see timer, go ahead and click on that. Then, use the liquid glass to select the timer you want to use. Then, you see the timer added at the top left. You can click on it again, and then change the timer. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and position yourself or your object. And after that, go ahead and click on the shutter button. Then you see the countdown. And after the countdown, your iPhone is going to take the shot. And then you have it like this. So that is basically how to set iOS 26 camera timer on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.